It is a great honor to gather this evening as we commemorate two important anniversaries, the 85th anniversary of the diplomatic relations between Canada and the Republic of Serbia, and the 170th anniversary of the birth of Nikola Tesla.
Years ago, in the midst of the Second World War, Canada and the then government of Yugoslavia chose cooperation. This was the foundation for a bilateral relationship that is founded in mutual respect and strong people-to-people ties.
For 85 years, Serbia and Canada have nurtured a relationship that has grown steadily across diplomacy, trade, science, education, culture, and people-to-people ties. Today, that friendship continues through vibrant cooperation through the Serbian Canadian community, whose members have contributed greatly to Canadian society in science, business, academia, public service, sports, and the arts, while preserving strong ties with their heritage. They remain a living bridge between our countries. Tesla was born 170 years ago into a Serbian Orthodox family, educated in Europe, achieved global greatness in North America, and belonged to all humanity. His genius transformed the modern world and continues to shape our daily lives in ways we often take for granted. He was a poet of physics, an architect of possibility, and a tireless believer in the power of ideas to transform human life. Long live friendship between Serbia and Canada. Long live Serbia, long live Canada. Hvala vam veliko. Thank you so much.